Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to discuss how to answer tell me about myself, okay? Because that is the basic question that everyone asks during the interview, right? It's the first question. Or may I know about yourself, okay? So if they are mentioning your name like Anjali, may I know about yourself means, then what you have to do, you should not start with your name, okay? Always. So these are the contents that you should be always including in your about myself, okay, or the self introduction, okay. So what are these? Okay, so always don't start with your name. If they are going to call your name like Anjali, tell me about yourself, then definitely don't include your name there, okay. Then you can just start from your place, or you can tell like, as you guys know, my name is Anjali, okay. Such words can be included in your about myself, okay. So while you're telling your name, the first one is your name. Either you can use I am Anjali, or you can use my name is Anjali, okay. So whatever is comfortable for you, use these two words like I am Anjali or my name is Anjali, okay. The next is your place, okay, from where you are coming, okay. So it might not be the place where you are staying right now, right. So basically you can tell like, I am basically from Uttar Pradesh and now I am staying in Hyderabad or Bangalore, wherever you are, okay. Or if you don't want to mention, only the thing that you want to mention is like I am from, then you can definitely give like I am from Bangalore, or I am from Bihar, or I am from Hyderabad, wherever you like, okay. The next thing what you have to include is, the third point is the latest graduation. If you have done the MTech or Masters or something like that, just mention I am a MTech graduate. If you have done a UG course, like if you have completed your graduation, your graduation course, right, then what you have to do is you have to mention like I am a BCA graduate in something, in any branch, or I am a BTech graduate in whichever is the branch that you have, in mechanical engineering, whichever you have done, you can definitely give that, okay. The next is the relevant work experience. So if you have any experience or internships done which is relevant to your job, to this job that you have applied and you are attending the interview, then definitely you can tell that currently I am working as a AI intern in any of the private limited company, and I am working in so and so technology. Also if you want, you can mention, okay. Now is your recent achievements. It's not the achievements means that you have to tell like I got first place in sports, nothing of that sort. Whatever is relevant for your this job, then definitely you can tell that, okay. So suppose you have achieved something like I got a certification from AWS, then definitely you can tell recently I got a certification of AWS and things like that, okay. So whichever is relevant, you can just tell that, okay. So the next one is about your family. What you can tell, my father Harinder, he is a businessman, and my mother Sunita, she is a homemaker, okay. Don't tell that she is a housewife, you can always use the word homemaker, okay. And I have a brother who is working as an engineer, okay. That's all you need to tell. Don't need to tell that my first younger brother does this, my second younger brother doing this, no need. Or if you have more than one sibling, just mention like I have two siblings who are studying, okay, or who are working, okay. That's all that you have to tell in about myself. Then about your strength, okay. So while telling about your strength, you can just mention like I am an adaptable person, because wherever I am put into, I am actually comfortable there, okay. That is one strength that you can tell. If your strength is the leadership quality, then you can tell that I have been a leader in my school project group or college election or college leader, cabinet member, or whatever it is. You can just mention that. Okay, in your strengths only you have to tell what you have been. Okay, just that's the thing that you have to include in the contents of your about myself. Okay, the next thing what we are going to look an example of how to write a about myself. Okay, here is one example that I have shown you how to write. Okay, so in most of the about myself I have seen that thank you for giving me an opportunity and things like that might have been written, right? You always no need to mention about giving an opportunity for you or things like that. Those are just cliche things. Okay, so no need to mention anything of that sort. You can just start with good morning sir, my name is Neeli R. I am basically from Delhi but currently staying in Bangalore. Okay, this is all about your name and your place. The next comes the latest graduation. I am a computer science graduate from Delhi University. Currently, I am doing an internship on AI from XYZ Private Limited. Okay, I have achieved 30 days of code badge in Java from HackerRank. My father, Harinder, he is a businessman, and mother, Sunita, she is a homemaker. I am an adaptable person because wherever I am put in, I am comfortable there. That's all about myself. Thank you. This is a very short about myself. Okay, no need to expand it so long, and don't make this about myself by heart in your head, so that each and every person who asks you, you must not tell in one breath. Okay, like my name is Neeli, I am coming from Delhi but I am currently staying in Bangalore. Not like that. You can just tell like my name is Neeli, I am basically from Delhi but currently staying in Bangalore. Okay, always you can think what you have to tell in your self intro or about myself. Think about it and then tell. Okay, don't be in a hurry to finish it. Okay, it's just to make you cool that they are asking, and whatever is written in the CV, no need to mention those things here. Okay, in your about myself. So now that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with some other interesting topics. Bye.